Hello everyone, I am CA Akshata Udupa. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about a super cool technique for swing trade using one single indicator. I have many stocks based on this technique in my portfolio for swing trading. If you are a person who is doing job, or if you are a person who cannot sit and monitor the stock for the whole day, then you are in the right place. This video is for you because this requires minimum amount of time, that is monitoring time. You just need some 10 to 15 minutes of your time to just pick the stock and take the trade. You need to be just available at around 3:15 and just do some quick analysis and take the trade. This is very simple yet very effective technique. For this particular technique, I just use one indicator, which is again very effective indicator, that is CPR. This is available in almost all the portals. If you are using Zerodha, then if you change the view to Chart IQ view, there this particular indicator is available. Before proceeding further, I would also like to share one thing with you, that my new course is released last week, wherein I have given everything that a beginner needs to know, or if you are a trader who has been following different strategies and could not succeed in making good profits, then you can definitely check out this course. This contains basics of stocks, options, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and also it contains the very important step in trading, that is stock selection and stock analysis. And going forward, it also contains a very important module, that is price action, without which there is no stock market. And it also contains swing trading techniques, expiry trading techniques. It contains risk management module and many more. So it is a bunch which is very handy to the beginners. If you go for taking these courses individually, today in the market it costs somewhere on an average 25k to 30k, but we are providing this at a very nominal price to support the upcoming traders. I have put in all my experience in this course and tried to make this course as simple and handy as possible. So if you are someone who want to know all about stock market and someone who want to start trading quickly with good knowledge and with complete confidence, then you are in the right place. To get more information about this particular video, I have given the link in the description, so please do check out the video which I have done exclusively for this course. So quickly getting in, let's check how this particular technique of swing trading works. This is Zerodha portal. You need to change it to Chart IQ view. And in studies, you just need to select central pivot range, and these lines will be displayed. You can see this is a range, this is a central pivot point, and this is a range. The important rule for this technique is that you have to keep the candles at Heikin-Ashi. Okay, you have to use this Heikin-Ashi candle over here, so that this technique will work precisely. And you have to keep 1 day candle. This is not for intraday players. This is for those who are willing to hold the stock and who want to do some good swing trades. So quickly let's begin with, I have taken this particular stock of UBL right now. The first important condition is that the CPR which you are considering right now to trade should be above the previous CPR. Here we are looking only for buying opportunity. No selling over here, because we are doing swing trade. We are purchasing a stock and holding it for some time until we make some good money. So what you have to see is, first thing, whether the CPR of the month which you are concentrating or where you are looking for trading opportunity is above the CPR of the previous month. Here if you see, the CPR of this particular month is below the CPR of the previous month. So we are not going to consider this for our trading. Next, if you see here if you see, the CPR is above the CPR of the previous month. So this is a right point for us to check for the trading opportunity. If you check over here, the green candle is formed which is above the CPR, but you can see that both sides wick is present, right? Both in the upper side as well as in the lower side. So whenever you find the wick on both the sides, you are not going to take the trade. You will wait a little more, and here you can see a candle is formed which is having just upper wick and no lower wick. So this will be your entry. So on the second day, this is a first day candle of this particular month. Next, second day candle, you can see that there is only wick above and there is no wick below the candle. So this will be your entry. You will just go and check at around 3:15, and if there is no wick below and if it is a green candle that is formed, then you will buy this particular stock. Then you will go on monitoring it every day at 3:15. You will just come back at around 3:15 and check what type of candle is formed. Here you can see continuously green candles are formed. Again, make sure that you keep the candles at high Kanashi mode, and if you go on checking this, there is a good rally of this particular stock. So from here till here you will make good money. You will get to ride from around 1077 to around 1154, a very good rally. Similarly, if you go on checking, here again a red candle is formed, right? The moment the red candle is formed, when you check at 3:15, exit that position. Then again wait for the moment wherein the stock will touch the CPR. Here there is no proper touch of the CPR. Here there is a touch, but that is again a red candle, so don't take the trade. Again go on monitoring it, and again the next month you will see that the stock touched this CPR, again a green candle. If you closely observe, this particular candle, you can see that wick is only above and there is no wick below. So you can make an entry over here. Again you will ride this whole trend, that is until this candle, this doji is formed. So from 1185, you will just go on monitoring it, booking the profits. You will exit at around 1276. Okay, so once you exit over here, again you will wait until there is another touch to the CPR, and here you can see there is a touch, but what is the type of the candle that is formed? That is a doji candle. You can see there is a long wick below, which means there is a lot of selling pressure, so ignore trading in this stock. You can see here constantly it is touching this, but everywhere you are finding the wick. Then you can see red candle is formed. Now once this red candle crosses the CPR, just leave this stock for a while. Don't again go on monitoring the stock. So until the stock breaks this CPR, you can go on monitoring the stock. So in this way you can just keep on monitoring some 2 to 3 stocks, keep 2 to 3 stocks in your watch list and go on monitoring it. Now just because a red candle came, you exited that position, don't just leave out that stock completely, because after these are the retracements. After a small retracement, again the stock will start moving. When you have to stop monitoring the stock? Only when the stock crosses the CPR from below. This red candles crosses the CPR from below. Then you can just stop watching that stock and you can jump for some other good stocks. Let's also check one more. See, Ultrachem. Again, if you go on looking at it, here if you see the CPR is not fulfilling our condition. That is, we have to get, see here there is again a very good rally, but our CPR condition is not fulfilled. That is, the CPR of this month is below the CPR of the previous month. So we are not going to consider this for trading. So we'll wait again, and here you can see the next month the CPR crosses, CPR is above the previous month's CPR. So here again you will monitor to find a candle without doji. Here you can see this candle, but again there is a small doji over there, so will not take the risk. You just wait for a very clean entry. So this candle will again give you a proper entry. Enter at this candle. You can just go on monitoring it every day, and once this red candle is formed, exit the position. Again wait for the stock to touch the CPR. It touches over here, but since there is a wick for this candle, don't take the trade that day. Wait for the next day. If again green candle with just a wick above is formed, then take the trade. Again your exit will be this candle, this red candle, and again you will wait for it to touch the CPR. Again here there is a touch. Take the trade at this candle, because here the candle is having wick only above and there is no wick below. So this is again a very good entry. Enter here. Exit will be this candle, red candle. So similarly, if you go on doing it, you will do a very good profit. Even in case where you take a wrong entry or something, you will exit immediately when the red candle is formed. So the loss will be very less, and the profit that you get to make using this technique is tremendous. So I'll just quickly show another stock. See, all these times you are not going to take the trade because the CPRs are not fulfilling the condition that is required. Here if you check, the proper entry you will get because the CPR is above the previous month's CPR. So the candle where you will make the entry is this candle, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4th day. You will get a proper entry, and you can see the stock moved so much that you got to write the whole trend, that is from 952 to somewhere 1126. Then again exit at this red candle, then your re-entry will be this candle, again this red candle will be your exit. Again, don't panic when suddenly the stock falls. You will always wait until 3:15 and then only see or decide whether you have to stay or whether you have to exit the position. Then again wait, and entry will be this one. Again check, here you will not make any entry because it's a small candle with wick on both the sides. Doji candle, you cannot trust a doji candle, so wait for it and enter. Again exit when the red candle is formed. If you go on doing that, again see here the stock crossed the CPR, right? It totally crossed the CPR. The moment it crosses the CPR, just stop monitoring the stock, because after it crosses the CPR, trend reversal happens and downtrend starts. So it's not a good opportunity for us. So this is how you have to monitor the stock, and if you properly do it in a disciplined manner, it will give you some good profits. So if you want to open a trading account, you can open it either with Zerodha, Upstock or Ellis Blue using my referral link. My referral link is given in the description box below. By opening an account using my referral link, you will get 4 of my videos free of cost, that is basics of stock market, basics of options, 1 intraday strategy and 1 expiry day trading setup. If you want to enroll for my course, then you can check it out in the description box below, wherein I have given the link of my website, that is caakshatauduppa.com, and you can enroll for the course and enjoy trading. So yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get frequent updates about the videos that I post. You can also join me on my Telegram group. The link is given in the description. Here I'll be constantly posting all my studies and all my analysis over there. You can take the benefit of that as well. So yeah, I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.